Welcome to Tech Talk with Blue Connections. My name's Bill Mackay. I'm excited today to talk to you about my favourite monitor. This is the P24H-20. It is a game changer. Finally, we've got a super duper product to talk about. Well, we've had super duper products, but this one's a bit different. Let me go through it with you. Stick it down here and get it out of the way. First of all, we've got a base, a couple of bits of paper, USB-C cable, standard kettle cable, so that's all cool. Put that down there. The base comes together. Here's one I prepared earlier. Just a small screw in the bottom, holds that together. And the monitor, this nice 24-inch, really thin bezel. Some of the cool features about this, we'll go through some of the ports down here. So, not sure if we can get this, we've got HDMI, we've got DisplayPort, so they're both inputs. We've got a couple of USB ports, we've got an Ethernet port, really key, we'll talk about that in a minute. A couple of USB ports, a couple of USB ports on the side, and DisplayPort input. So this goes together nice and easy, drops in there, just clips into place, and away we go. Full range of movement, pivot for Word documents, back to landscape, height adjustable screen, so we can go down and up, and we've got swivel and tilt. So really, really cool range of movement. Also microphone holder there, so you can, your mobile phone holder there I should say, sit that up and watch the game while you're working, or at least appear to be working. Got a couple of colleagues that do that, but we won't mention names. Really, really cool monitor. So this is designed to replace your docking station. So USB-C compatible, standard USB-C, delivers power through it, compatible with Apple, compatible with HP, Lenovo, Dell, whatever you want to plug into it, preferably Lenovo, but it's multi-compatible. Plug in your Ethernet cable, your USB mouse and keyboard, leave that all on your desk, hot desk, come in, plug one cable in, away you go. Everything's done and dusted. Really, really cool. 24-inch version comes in full high definition screen. 27-inch version comes in WQHD, so that's 2560 by 1440 res. Awesome product, can't say enough about it. I've got plenty of customers that have converted to this and saved money. Typical saving between buying two monitors and a docking station compared to this and a second monitor is typically about $150. So depending on your price levels, but it's a really, really cool option. That's it from me today here at Blue Connections with Tech Talk on the P24H-20 monitor. Killer product. If you need to know more information, give us a call here at Blue Connections. Someone will be able to help you out, or just call me directly. I'll help you out. Cheers and bye for now.